This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by shutting power to the HVAC at the breaker so the thermostat is dead. This prevents shorting and protects you. Once done, confirm the screen is blank, then photograph the wiring for later reference. Next, remove the front cover by gently prying tabs or pressing the release. Some carrier edge covers hinge open, others lift straight off. As you lift, support the head so it does not fall. Make sure you have labels ready for each terminal wire immediately. With the cover off, you'll access the wire terminals, label and loosen each screw, then gently pull each conductor free and tape it out of the way so it can't short. Once wires are safe, disengage any ribbon connector seated to the control board, press the clip and pull straight out to avoid damage. Next, locate the 2 or more screws holding the plastic mounting base to the wall, remove them, keeping screws and anchors together for reuse. Once clear, tilt and pull the base straight off the wall. After the base is free, carefully tuck the labeled wires into the wall cavity and remove any loose anchors. Patch or box in the hole if you're not installing a replacement. If you're installing a new device, use your photo to match terminals and tighten screws snugly, no over-torque. If something goes wrong, check the breaker first, then reseat each wire at its terminal. A loose R or C wire is the most common cause of no power. Call pros if wiring looks corroded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.